Unraveling the meaning of premiere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard quite often, premiere. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about it. So, whether you're an English learner or just curious about the language, stay tuned to master the art of using premiere like a pro. In this section, we'll dissect the word premiere. At its core, premiere refers to the first performance or public showing of something, usually an artistic work. This could be a movie, a play, a TV show, or even a musical performance. The key here is the notion of being first and public. We often hear it in phrases like world premiere or season premiere. Now let's explore how premiere is used in different contexts. Movies and theater. In the world of cinema and theater, premiere is a glamorous event. It's the first public screening of a movie or the debut performance of a play. Think of red carpets and celebrities. Television. For TV shows, premiere often refers to the first episode of a new season, marking the beginning of a fresh chapter in the series. Music and dance. In the realms of music and dance, a premiere can be the first performance of a new composition or choreography. Understanding these contexts helps you grasp the excitement and importance often associated with a premiere. Let's see premiere in action with some examples. The premiere of the new Marvel movie is set for Friday night. Did you catch the season premiere of our favorite TV show? The ballet's world premiere received standing ovations. Notice how premiere is naturally incorporated into conversations about entertainment and art. A crucial part of learning is knowing what errors to avoid. One common mistake is confusing premiere with premiere. Remember, premiere without the E at the end means first in importance or prime minister. They sound similar but have different meanings. And that wraps up our exploration of premiere. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this exciting word. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.